The Road Ahead, sponsored by RTC.
Hi, I'm Annie Woods for The Road Ahead with RTC. There's a lot of activity happening at the Southeast Connector project that benefits the environment. RTC project manager Garth Oaksall is here to tell us more about it. Welcome, Garth. So there's so much happening here at Mira Loma. Tell us all about it.
Yeah, we've been doing a lot of activity here, and part of that has been driving piles into the ground to provide a support for the foundation of the bridge, so we ensure that it doesn't sink into the soft soils. But prior to that, we installed some temporary sound walls, as well as installed some noise mitigating backup alarms for all the equipment here as part of our ongoing commitment to be good neighbors during construction.
And you're also going to be building a concrete weir. Tell us how that works with the project.
Yeah, in the Yori Drain, we're building a concrete weir, which is basically a concrete divider that has 3 openings in it that separates the water into our wetlands area so that we can ensure water flow is in the wetlands during years of drought.
And what other benefits does this structure create?
So not only will there be the wetlands creation, but it's also flood mitigation storage. And in those wetlands itself, the vegetation will naturally clean the water coming down Yori Drain before it discharges into the Steamboat Creek.
Wow. And for the wetlands, how does the wetlands get maintained?
Well, that's the beauty of these wetlands, is we will have a maintenance program for the first couple of years to ensure that the wetlands are starting off healthy. But over time, they will be naturally self-sustaining, so they will be just like any other wetland, that they are completely natural.
So fantastic. Thank you so much, Garth, for letting us all know how things are going out here at the Southeast Connector. If you'd like to learn more about this project, you can always visit southeastconnector.com and make sure to join RTC on Facebook and on Twitter. You can also find more information at rtcwashoe.com. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Annie Woods for The Road Ahead with RTC, and make sure to stay updated. Again, you can always join them on Facebook and on Twitter. Thanks so much for watching. This is your RTC.
The Road Ahead, sponsored by RTC.